Hello, selamat datang, and today we're making Chwee Kueh. Yeah, and this is the result, and let's get started and get right into it. So to start with the batter, I've got about 130 grams of rice flour here, and roughly 30 grams, 25 to 30 grams of potato starch mixed already. And to this, I'm going to add about 500 ml of water. I've already put it out. So the first part is I'm just going to add in enough water to stir this up, and the rest I'm going to go and boil. So let's see how much we need. Yeah, I think that should be enough. Just a bit more, and then the rest I'm just going to boil with the water, and I'll come back and show you. So I actually added another 10-20 ml just to break it up because it was a bit too pasty, and I've got my water boiled, the remaining, so I'm just going to add it all in. And yeah, again, as per my previous videos, it's important to use a metal container for this, obviously, because you're dealing with boiled water. So we're just going to keep it. Yeah, I'm surprised that maybe boiling wasn't the right idea. Maybe I should have just entered it at room temperature, but yeah, I'll be curious to see how this goes. So a couple of things happened in the meantime. As you can see, it's much smoother now compared to the big blob that it was just now. I added water basically because it seems that when I added the hot water too fast and I wasn't stirring it fast enough, the whole thing just became a big blob. And obviously I wanted a bit more liquid, so I added a bit more water. I think it was about 100 ml, 150, almost 200 ml more. But basically, yeah, I'm happy with this consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. I've added about 1 teaspoon of salt now, and roughly 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons of oil. That's why you can see it's glossy. Now we're going to start the pan, and I'm going to test this, yeah. And I'm going to test this with some pickles. So yeah, basically this is still what I'm doing, but yeah. So similar to the Chong Fan videos, I'm going to cook it on a medium fire, and it's just starting to heat up now. I don't want it to be too hot because otherwise it'll heat it up and cook it too fast, but at the same time I also don't want it to be too cool. So I'm just going to go with a reasonable amount of batter. Yeah, this is not trying to make it too thick or too thin, so let's just go with this. It should be quite thick. Well, I'll add a bit more just to thicken it up because I'm going to test a thicker batter right now. So I'm just going with that. And now, since I've got that done, I'm just going to put my pickles up. Just putting it on while the batter sets. I'm just going to lay it everywhere. So basically what I'm going to do now, after I've got it laid up, I'm just going to close it and let it steam itself up. Generally I will give it some time, probably a minute or two, but let's see where we end up with. So while that's doing, I'm curious to see what will happen if I put this in the microwave. So I'm just going to take a plate. Yeah, I was thinking if I should oil it. Let's try one without oiling and see what happens. I'm just going to fill it up with the batter. And then I'm just going to put the pickles on it. And this is going into the microwave, roughly 2 minutes, I would say. And then let's see what happens. So 2 minutes in, let's see what we have. Basically, has it set? Yeah, it looks the part. I'm just going to, maybe there are some parts that's still not fully cooked yet. I'm curious whether it will come out. Yeah, no, it's stuck in there. I'm wondering, is that because of no oil or is it because it's not fully set yet? I suspect it probably needs a bit more. So let's put it back in and give it a bit more. 30 seconds more and I think it's done. I'm trying to take it out, and I'll be curious to see how solid it has developed. Yeah, but as you can see, yeah, I think it's cooked through. Yeah, it's developed the crust in certain places. Yeah, I would say it could be cooked in a microwave, although I don't know, some parts, yeah, are probably still not as cooked as the other. So maybe a flip is required, and let's put it back in for another minute or so. Okay, so total time roughly 2 minutes in the well, a bit more than 2 minutes, almost 3, yeah, in the microwave, and you can see some parts have hardened, but I don't know. Yeah, it has that softness. It's not quite steamed, and as you can see, yeah, I probably should have oiled the plate. So chalk that to a lesson learned again about oiling plates. But yeah, I would say the microwave method can work for this as well. So we're going to do this now. I've thinned out the batter a bit different from the one that we used for the microwave. I'm trying to make a smaller one so it doesn't take too long to cook. So at least that's the idea. So I'm going pickles on top, and then I'm just going to put a ham as well, and then we can put it to steam after that. Yep, just like that. And then let's let it steam. It's released, so we can start the next one. So I'm just going to take it out. Yeah, it should be cooked fine. So we just take it out, put it out here, and let's start the next batch. I was going to put it in the middle, but I realized it takes some time, so I'm just going to do 2 batches to save a bit of time. I'm scared they're going to merge, but let's see what happens with that. Yeah, if it does merge, that will be interesting. But yeah, let's go with this, and I'm putting a ham on each of them again as well. So yeah, let's just go with that and then come back to it when it'll be done. So I'm just going to put the ham up, each of them, 1 ham, and then that's it. So I had to finish them up in the microwave to get them to set, as I'm rushing for time a bit to get out. But yeah, this is more or less the completion for Chwee Kueh. And yeah, I believe the batter could probably use some work. Thicker will be better, but yeah, I think this can work. I gave it more like an European taste rather than the local ones. You can make it sweet, yeah, whichever that works. I think that's also possible. I have one last one in the pan that's cooking. I need to make sure it cooks, because I don't think I can move it into the microwave. But yeah, I need to get this out to the kids so they can eat. And just to show off, or show the final product and how it looks like after it managed to set. Yeah, this one's probably not as appetizing, but yeah, just to show how it looks like. That's it. Thanks for watching, and as always, like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you to the next one. Bye.